a quick little photo shoot of this transparency cover book I just completed. I love how you find little goodies when you clean out your art shelves. And so I had to make something with it. Hope you enjoy. Ta-da! Not too shabby for recycled materials. So on the front and on the back are transparencies of a doodle I did years ago. I laminated them and then embroidered around the outside of it, and then also the inside. I'm not real great at embroidering, but I had fun. So this was a trip to Nashville and back. And then the beads right here, they're glass beads I ordered off Amazon. This is like a French link stitch, except instead of linking, I just went straight across and came back up. So I guess you could say that's a ladder stitch. And on the inside, that's what it looks like. Some of the black thread came off on here. Now I did wax it to help it stick better, just because I like it waxed. This actually is packing paper and would be great for charcoal, and also probably pencil too. On one side is a little rougher, and then on the other side it's a little slick. And so pretty much I filled the whole thing with that. This right here is my little place marker. So it's long enough to go throughout the whole book, and I just put some beads on the end, so no big deal. It's a prototype. These transparencies were actually created about 6 years ago, and I found them while cleaning out my stuff. So I'm excited. This will be the first of many.